Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL C33 and let me share with you how to check IMEI numbers of this device. So let's start with the longer way to check the IMEI numbers. It is because, I'd like to show it to you because if for some reason the fastest way won't work, then you will still be able to check the IMEIs. So let's enter the settings, then let's scroll down to the very bottom and find About Phone. And basically here we have to scroll down a little bit to find both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Now let me show you the fastest way, the secret code. We have to open the dialer to enter it, and the code is *#06#. And as you can see right here, we've got also both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.